Everything normal today was abnormal in your parents' time. Ultra processed foods, synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, pesticide loaded fruit, synthetic clothes. We are surrounded today by low grade chemical exposure every day. These chemicals act as disruptors, interfering with hormone production and function. Plastics release BPA. Synthetic fabrics trap heat. Artificial ripening chemicals alter fruit nutrition. This is not a conspiracy. It is cumulative exposure. Modern convenience has hidden biological costs. What is normal today may not be natural for your body.